Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a very quick review about this powerful website called BeyondTrust Remote Support. So we're going to check and explore what the key features about this platform, the pros and the cons, and the pricing plan about this platform. So let's get started. Have you ever needed to see what's on someone else's computer to help them? BeyondTrust Remote Support is like a special tool that lets you do that. It gives you remote access to their device, even if you were far away. The software helps a representative create a remote support section, so they can see the other person's screen and control their mouse and keyboard. It's like they are right there with them. It makes it easy to fix problem and someone what how to do things. So the software can also log what happened during this support section, so you can remember what you do later. I'm talking about the best features of this platform. It comes with a different and various of features. Beyond Trust remotely supports some really cool features that can help you. It's not just about seeing someone's screen. It also has special features to help you keep things and make it easier to help people. So here are some of the best things it can do. One of these best things it can do is come with an identity security insight together with the password save option and an identity risk assessment together with the cloud security and cyber insurance. So talking about the pricing plan, Beyond Trust has a custom pricing plan, so you have to contact them for the pricing to decide which one is the best for you. I'm talking about the pros and cons. It is good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular platform before diving into it. So we're going to review the good side of this platform. So it comes with a strong security protect data. It also supports different type of device and good audit trial with a track activities. So they help support teams to work faster. Talking about the downside, which is the price can be complex to understand. Some features might cost extra. Initial setup could take a long time. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thank you.